it up a little bit. I haven't had a great idea. So basically, pull these things back and wrap it. All right, so you have this, put this in sand, hot sand, let it cool, and then you wrap it on the outside and do the outside. But basically, you're making these into these, right? So just by taking multiple layers of plastic film, LDPE, whatever, you can just wrap and wrap and wrap. That's my wrap single. So this one I had, where is it? What do you see? Can you see anything in there? Who cares? Anyway, so the idea is that you create structures like this that are, you know, very waterproof, rot-proof, all these proofs. And you put windows, you put doors, you basically make this your pod. It could be scaled up, it could be, doesn't have to be this exact, you know, we gotta play with it, but basically you're creating a cell. And I would try to make it as much of a living cell as possible and create these structures that can get attached to other structures around. And I would attach them more in the front, but geometry being what it is, you could attach it wherever you want. Obviously, if you attach it more in the front, you get this fanning out as they go and create this space in here. And the space in here is a vital, anyway, it's a living organism. So as it's if it's, one application is actually an aquatic, where you would put this floating and it would raise and lower depending upon other functionalities, but basically you can create multiple layers using a very inexpensive, very environmentally correct method, where you're taking plastic out of the waste stream and you're reutilizing it to create these cells. And these cells can then be linked together to create larger structures. One of them is just sort of marine research, as well as aquaculture and all sorts of ways to work with the environment and create opportunities, basically. You have a very strong ring structure that can be manufactured very easily. So what I maybe haven't pointed out is these strings. I don't know if you can see these strings. Is it recording? Bueno. So these strings are a series of triangles, right? Triangles that come out, and as you just go out at 3 points, you get this nice wide open space as well. So you get this horizontal area, and you get this thing. Okay, enough of me. What's going on with you?